first series in the video blogs which I'm going to create and update on a daily basis, especially around analytics. So this is my first attempt to talk about analytics, and especially the upcoming ASEC conference in which I'm planning to submit an abstract around SAP Lumira, the way you can develop highly sophisticated analytical tools which can help the end users connecting to the data, which could be flat files, Excel files, or a sophisticated database like HANA. So those things are going to be covered within the SAP Lumira edition. I have built my server, it's all ready, and I'm planning to update the blog with the updates around how to connect the Lumira to these different kinds of data raw formats, and then design the user-friendly dashboards or analytical piece. Now the other things which I want to talk around this series is the things which keep me occupied as a data scientist, or which things which you can improve on a day-to-day basis. The other things in this series I would want to talk about is my favorite tool, which is Crystal Reports, both Crystal Reports 2013 versus Crystal Reports for Enterprise, how you can leverage the new Crystal Reports, having the connections directly against SAP HANA or Oracle database or SQL Server, any kind of RDBMS system against Crystal Reports is really powerful, especially designing the pixel perfect format or formatted reports. We know that in today's world we are mostly going towards the mobile and the analytical piece, where users want to know everything, drill down, drill up, and do the analysis. But at the same time, there is still the market out there which looks for pixel perfect formatting, and Crystal Reports is a great product to do that. And also now that it's able to connect to the in-memory solutions, its performance has highly improved, and that actually gives it ahead, so that you can actually schedule the reports which are based out of the millions and billions of records. You can pull in the reports and do it. So that's one other piece which we can focus on, which we are going to focus on. And then the business objects for cloud, which is very new to me. The first time I have seen it was at actually the SAP TechEd in Vegas in September. I was impressed with especially the offline connections which you can have against the cloud and the business objects on cloud, and the kind of the Webby and all these products, they completely look very different on business objects for cloud. So we are going to try to see if I can get something around that to do certain demos, but I will keep my video blog updated. So those are the other things which I want to kind of get around real life of the programmer. I know there are a lot of people out there who actually, especially the students, they think that the IT world is the kind of like a geeky world, is the world they want to be in, and they want to do something related to computers. And so to get into this world, what are the things which are needed? I will try to give you tips around that, especially because I have gone through that cycle, especially as an immigrant from India. There are a lot of people who wants to get into that route of working in, having a white collar job, working for the Fortune 500 companies. I can certainly give you certain tips to approach the education, especially on the things which you need to do on what levels to get a break into the corporate companies working into IT. So that's one other thing which I would want to do a video blog on that. And also I would like to get a feedback from every one of you who are viewing this video on the things which you would like to know from me. So please feel free to comment on my blog, send me an email, or you can contact me through Twitter or LinkedIn. So those are the I monitor it on a regular basis. So I would like to get the feedback there, and whatever I could do to help you, I'll try my best to do that. So this is the first of the series. As I said, I'll be updating this on my blog right away. Today is November 27th. I think hopefully I can get it, and it's only 20 minutes left for the day. So I'll try to get this on my blog as soon as possible. As I said, this is the first of the series of the blogs I'm trying to do. Ignore my mistakes. This is the first ever recording which I'm doing, and stay tuned. I will try to come up with the certain things which are very useful for the people who are in the IT world working in, especially in America. So if you have any feedback for me, any comments, any suggestions you want to see, please feel free to contact me via Twitter or LinkedIn, or just comment on my blog, and then I'll try to read those feedbacks for sure, and also try to get that into my next blog series. Okay, thank you.